right, so we're looking at the T2. We're at the 2014 Mid-America Truck Show. Standing here with Bob McTernan with Ottawa. Can you tell me a little bit about the improvements on the T2?
The process started about 2 years ago, and we saw the need to update the truck. It had been almost 30 years since we've done a serious redesign of the product. And we started with our customers' feedback. What did they like? What didn't they like? And it became clear that they wanted, number one, a better environment for their drivers. They wanted a little more room, a little bit wider door opening, some creature comforts like a coat hook and a cup holder. So we tried to incorporate all those good ideas into the truck, along with some practical ideas. For instance, the glass area in the cab of the truck is 30% larger than the preceding model, so you've got better visibility. Daily checks like transmission fluid and motor oil and windshield washer fluid can be done from the ground. There's no climbing on trucks. You're helping to avoid slips and falls. So we took some of the creature comforts and some of the practical that we felt needed to be done and incorporated it into the new design.
Great. Thanks for your time today, Bob.
Good to be here. Thank you.